Everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn about a new tactic that is known as by the name of clearance. It would be super easy for me to explain, for you to explain, even in the classes, and for the students also to understand that we use some positions to explain. So I'm just going to show you all one position, one simple position to explain the topic. All right. So here is the position. We all are playing as white. When you show this position, instead of just explaining the definition directly, it would be super fun or like it would be super good for you all to just give a minute for the students to figure out the best move on their own. Whether they are giving wrong answer, right answer, that's totally fine. We just want their input and their attention in the class so they will be engaged. So clearance is basically making way clear for your threads to execute. So in this position, you need to see the dream position. There are some obstacles in between, some obstacle pieces in between that are stopping us to execute our threat. If I talk about this position, we want our queen to be on this square. If the queen is there, the knight would be supporting the queen. If the queen is able to reach to this square, it's gonna be a checkmate. But of course, we can't just fly the queen away like this. There is an obstacle in between. That is the bishop. We need to remove the bishop from the way and we can give a checkmate to the black king. So first thing is that we need to have this dream position ready in our brain, that this is how the checkmate would look like. And also we need to see the obstacle, that who is stopping us. So this bishop, our own bishop, is stopping us. Not a problem. It's our own bishop. So we can just move away. If you move it away, like let's say b5, that most of the people might be thinking here. Yeah, you remove the obstacle, but the problem is that your rook is under attack and you will fall in a check. It's bad. So why don't we move the bishop on e4, where you are not only just making the way clear for your queen to reach on d8 and checkmate, but at the same time, the bishop is also doing a duty. He is also attacking the queen. So either black is in a situation right now, either he has to defend the queen or he has to defend the checkmate. And one of the loss black has to face. Let's say he castles, of course he should defend the checkmate. You just capture the queen. If the opponent is not careful enough, he defends the queen, you checkmate. It just making way clear. That is what clearance is. You need to see the obstacle, you need to see the dream position, and it's done then. So this is what clearance is. And after once you explain one puzzle, we need to make students solve more puzzles. So we'll show one another puzzle after this. If they solve this, then another and another. This is how the class flow will go. And if you want to see where are the most of the puzzles, if you want to see the positions, you can just refer to the SBL and you can figure out all the positions for this topic. Hope you got it. That's it for this one. I'll see you all in the next one then. Bye bye.